Driesch, another notable biologist. I have no idea who is. Hans Driesch, a German biologist. (1867 to 1941). And German experimental embryologist and philosopher. He is also a philosopher. The Germans are philosophers anyway, known for many of them. Known for pioneering developmental biology and supporting vitalism. Okay, so that vitalism, Hegelianism, I bet he would have some Hegelian background as well if you dig into it, into his thing. And I see that he also did Gifford lectures, so he must have some religious leaning as well, some understand. He is most noted for his early experiment in embryology and for his neo-vitalist philosophy of Entelach. Let me see if he has some Hegelian background. So he was also a professor of philosophy at the University of Leipzig, and apparently was forced to retire in 1933 due to his opposition to the Nazi regime. So I'm not sure whether he's Hegelian or not, but just the summary of his views just to make me think that he would have some sort of Hegelian or at least Aristotelian philosophical and his Gifford lectures were on this science. Gifford lectures was the science and the philosophy of the organism. He taught at the University of Leipzig. He's considered Aristotle. Atom borrowed from his philosophy. At least his philosophy is influenced by Aristotle and his concepts, and might have some connection with Hegelianism. He's a vitalist, so I don't know if there are any Bergsonian connections. Bergson probably is after him or a bit younger than him. Bergson. Actually, Bergson is probably almost his contemporary. Bergson is actually a few years older than him. So anyway, so that makes sense. And the lesson to be learned here is Allama Iqbal is looking for those thinkers in the Western tradition which can provide him with tools and concepts which can make room for the reassertion of religious understanding, religious worldview, along with science and technology without rejecting them. And he finds those figures which are not always mainstream. And that is one of his purposes in these lectures. Okay.